Welcome, everyone. This is Manpreet Kaur, the world's first mind energizer. Today, I have brought a very special guest with me, and I'll be just introducing her in a moment. Let me tell you all that I am the creator of the Mind Energizer certification program, and today's guest is very special because she's a vibrant lady full of positivity. And by chance, she happens to be one of my students as well. So, I'll be introducing you to Miss Komal Agarwal. Welcome here, Komal, to our show today.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Wonderful to have you here. And
Hello, everyone. Myself, Mrs. Komal Agarwal. Yes, by profession, I am a biology faculty. I give coaching to the science students. And in my education, I have done my bachelor's in physiotherapy. I have practiced physiotherapy for 3 to 4 years. Now got married and settled in Delhi. And then teaching was my profession and my passion. So I switched to teaching and now working at home as well as outside in giving coaching for 2 to 3 hours every day to the students. So full-time housewife, come tutor. So that's all.
wonderful. Hats off to you, Komal, doing so much all together and making it seem so easy. That's the biggest part. So today, I'll just want to ask you one question. Since Komal had attended one of my live workshops in Delhi, and she has also taken up my Create Your Golden Destiny program, and that was a self study home program. So, Komal, let me know what was your background in life and how did you come about to actually take up this sort of a program?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, the credit goes to, I guess, my classmate Manvi Rajbanshi. I still remember the day when we meet during the V meeting, and I was looking at you the moment you introduced yourself as a mind and that I, Manpreet Kaur, the mind energizer. That word strike in my head. Like I have heard about so many professions, like I'm a tutor, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, but I have never heard about that. Matlab, it was actually, I was literally cracking it. कि Mind energizer, ये क्या होता है? ये कौन सा profession है?
Right.
But to be honest enough, somehow I was getting very much positive vibes from you. Matlab, it was coming. Something positive was coming, and that time I was not at all aware of the thing कि आप जो हैं, like you are working on the people's mind and you are healing through the heads. That is the thing. But कुछ था ऐसे that somehow I got late और आप भी थोड़ा late हो गए post meeting and I got my call from my husband और मुझे वहाँ पे रुकना पड़ गया and then we discussed the thing and then you told me about that what actually you are into. So for that, uh, उसके बाद I got a message from you regarding your live sessions. कुछ
Right.
था, कुछ click था. The first time after 5 years of my marriage, I have traveled all alone 2.5 hours from my place. It was
Wow.
Trikhala में आपका जो live session
Right.
था, वो मैंने अकेले travel किया था,
My
thinking
God.
that I'll getting yes, कि मुझे कुछ positive जो है लग रहा था. For that I traveled and still till today I remember your each and every word. I bought that diary with me also. अभी भी है मेरे पास. That I have
Wonderful.
noted every of your word and your workshop, live workshop आपकी awesome थी. That was the only thing जिसकी वजह से I entered into that 21 days program.
Right.
Or from there the journey all started. The journey towards being positive, the journey towards being happy, या फिर anything. मतलब I'm smiling right now. It all started from that 21 days golden program or the day when we met. I can just say that.
Wonderful, wonderful. That's so lovely. Exactly. Even I can remember the first time we met. You were so bubbly, so full of life. And I guess your vibe attracts your tribe. Now you can also understand that. So that's wonderful. So, Komal, did you have any knowledge about mind powers or the laws of the universe before
No,
we met?
no, no, absolutely no. Before you met, मतलब now तो even I search and I keep on searching या मुझे चीजें मिल जाती हैं. I whenever I get to know कि आपने कुछ डाला है YouTube पे So I look for those things. So I like, okay, yes, these all things are also there. But before meeting you, I was not at all aware that yes, people have the control on their brain, and they that is going to make you happy. Matlab, it is there. Abhi agar if I want to share one thing, कि जब जिस वक्त हमारी 21 days का ये प्रोग्राम चल रहा था, I still remember that is the biggest achievement I can say कि मेरे जो है वो मैं आगे भी बताऊंगी. देखिए, I still remember आपने बोला कि love yourself. ये हमने बहुत सी मूवीज में भी सुना है कि लव योरसेल्फ, ये मुझे पता भी था, तब ये बोलते हैं लव योरसेल्फ. सो लेकिन इस प्रोग्राम में करने के बाद मुझे ये पता चला लव योरसेल्फ डजंट मीन्स कि आप मिरर में खड़े होके बोलिए लव योरसेल्फ इज एक्चुअली डूइंग समथिंग फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. राइट. आपने अपने उस प्रोग्राम में बोला था कि इफ यू लाइक रोजेस जस्ट गो एंड बाय सम रोजेस, डोंट वेट फॉर एनीवन कि दे विल गेट यू दोस रोजेस. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दिस एंड आई हैव एक्चुअली डिड इट. मैं एक्चुअली फ्लारिस्ट के पास गई थी. आई वाज जिस वक्त मैं ये कर रही थी तो आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं यार, इससे क्या होगा. आपने बोला छोटी छोटी चीजें जो आपके दिल में आती हैं. इफ यू वांट टू हैव आलू पराठा, इफ यू वांट टू हैव चॉकलेट्स, डोंट वेट फॉर दैट कि कोई हमारे लिए कर दे. कोई तब करेगा जब आप वो वाइब्रेशंस फेंकोगे, जब खुद के लिए आप करोगे, तभी कोई और आपके लिए करेगा. If you are not doing it for yourself, nobody else is gonna do for it. So that time I bought those red roses with Cadbury chocolate. I really enjoyed having it. मुझे actual में लगा कि yes, ये होता है love yourself. Doing little things for your own self, it heals your body, it makes you happy.
That's true. Komal, somewhere, we are always taught to be dependent on others to make us happy. We forget the essence, that is, we are the one who can actually make ourselves happy. It's the small things in life, which really count, and they become the bigger things in life eventually. So if we start working small, on a daily basis, that's why it was a 21-day program. Every day you're climbing the ladder.
Even now also, अगर मुझे ऐसा कुछ भी छोटा भी thought आता है खुद के लिए, and sometimes I like कि छोड़ यार, I am very much tired, then I again remember those words said by you कि do it for yourself. I actually do it. मतलब मैं करती हूँ और मुझे सच में फिर वो tiredness भी नहीं लगती. I feel happy कि I have done this thing for my own self. कि पूरे दिन में आपने कोई एक छोटी सी चीज तो है जो आपने खुद के लिए की है. So that was the biggest thing. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि yes, बहुत सारी और भी चीजें थी, पॉजिटिविटी है, फाइनेंशियल गेन्स है, एवरीथिंग, बट लविंग योरसेल्फ का एक्चुअल मीनिंग क्या होता है, that I have got from this program.
Wonderful, Komal. And in fact, this is what differentiates people. Thousands of people can buy the same program, but it depends on how many are actually immersing in it, how many are using those concepts for their own betterment. So that is where the results actually come. And I think after a year, you are totally changed as a person now. So let me know one thing. You're a working mother, full-time responsibilities. And sabse pehle, the ladies, especially, even gents also, they're like, we already have such a hectic routine. We have to do from morning to night. So how to get enough time to actually enter into spirituality, do meditations, and work on ourselves? So what would you like to tell them? Does it really take that much time and effort?
जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था दैट टाइम आई वाज, मतलब मैंने आपको बताया कि लाइक मुझे कुछ ऐसा पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस थे आपके एंड से कि आई वाज नॉट वरीड एट ऑल अबाउट द टाइमिंग्स कि हाउ आई विल मैनेज. द ओनली थिंग स्ट्राइकिंग माय हेड इज दैट आई हैव टू डू इट, राइट. बट द मोमेंट जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया उसके बाद आई रियलाइज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस इज दैट यू हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ पीपल्स टाइम इन दिस बिकॉज इट इज अ व्हाट्सएप बेस्ड प्रोग्राम. So it is very easy, it is flexible, it's up to me. And actually you promise कि कोमल आपको सिर्फ 15 मिनट देने होंगे, and actually it is 15 मिनट only. It is a 24 hours day. आप उस 24 घंटे में से चाहे सुबह के 6 से 6:15 का टाइम निकालिए, चाहे रात के 11 से 11:15 का टाइम निकालिए, every time that program is available to you. But yes, those 15 minutes are going to be yours. Hardly 15, maximum 20. And it is going to change your life for all. Matlab, literally it is those 15 to 20 minutes for 21 days. It is going to change your life for the better. I can assure to one and all who is listening to me, I'll say that yes, those 15 to 20 minutes has actually changed my life from a happy and a smiling and a full of life girl now I am.
Wonderful, Komal. And I guess people, don't even have to hear what they're saying, what you're saying. They can just see, the vibrancy and the happiness is actually showing on your face, whatever you are doing. I cannot say that, just 21 days was enough. You have obviously brought it as a lifestyle now. Every day you're thinking that way, you're doing that way. So you've become totally different, as I can say. So let
आपने अपने प्रोग्राम में ये चीज बोली थी that it's not only about 21 days, you have
yes,
to follow it. Yes, be consistent, you have to remember all the things, be consistent and work on according to the things you are going through
right.
based on that 21 days. So time is not at all a issue while joining this course, not at all a issue. And 15 minutes getting to your own self is not a big thing.
Right, right. So even I say, if you're not able to even take out 15 minutes, then are we actually living a life that's worth living? We have to do something for ourselves
Yeah.
also. If the battery is drained, then what are you going to give to other people? Obviously, more
Yes,
frustration.
doing things with a heavy head, and you know
Yeah,
that you have to do
right.
it,
Yeah.
right? So that is not happiness. If you are doing things happily, then
Then you're right.
efficiency obviously it's going to
It
increase.
increases. Definitely, you're saying the perfect thing. Even for like professionals, for entrepreneurs, for everyone else, I always say you're a human being first. You can have any designation, but until as a human being you're not satisfied from inside, your soul is not happy, then what are you doing? It's not worth it. So this is a starting point, I guess. Now let me know, Komal, it's been around, I guess, a year since you did it, or how many months?
Yeah, yeah, it's a year. It's a year. We met in
Yeah.
July and in August. Yeah,
Wonderful.
August 12th, I got that future letter. I still remember.
Wow.
So it's
So let us know in detail, like what manifestations. Now you must understand what manifestations are, or what have actually changed substantially in your life, so that those who are seeing you, they can also be inspired. Yes, we can also get certain things in life.
so yeah, lot of things to say which I have achieved. बोल भी चुकी हूँ, but again I will discuss one thing. Like during our journey, you made us write, during that course, you made us write a future letter. Letter I have written that 12th August 2020. So
Okay.
abhi jo 12th August tha, I read that letter, and exactly all those things which I have
Okay.
written on that page, I still have that in my Samsung note. So everything I have achieved, if not completely, each and everything is in the pipeline.
Wow.
कहीं ना कुछ हर एक लाइन, जितनी भी मैंने मैनिफेस्टेशंस की थी, कहीं ना कुछ जो है सब कुछ स्टार्ट हो चुका है मेरी लाइफ में. First thing
Wonderful.
is, the very first point which I have written is like I want to love myself, I want to work on my body, I want to heal myself, I want a happy face, I want to start walking with my husband.
Okay.
And it actually happened in this COVID time.
Wow.
Literally just before August, it happened. Madam, now we are like, madam, we are like walking partners. Somehow I managed it. और अभी 21st अगस्त आने से पहले it happened.
Okay.
और मैंने एक्चुअल में, आपने बोला था कि 1 साल के बाद ही खोलना है उसको, दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज कि हाँ ये मैंने लिखा था दैट आई वांट कि मेरे हस्बैंड जो है मेरे साथ वॉकिंग पे जाए. So this
Right.
was my manifestation, it happened,
Yeah.
right? सेकेंड थिंग इज समथिंग जो मैंने लिखा था उसके अंदर कि लाइक सेकेंड जो चीज लिखी थी, लाइक फाइनेंशियली आई वांट दैट मोर स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज आई एम अ ट्यूटर, दैट मोर एंड मोर स्टूडेंट्स गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मी, दे लाइक
Okay.
माय टीचिंग्स. दिस ऑल थिंग्स हैज हैपेंड इन द लास्ट ईयर. पूरे
Oh,
एक
wow.
साल के अंदर ये सभी चीजें जो हैं वो हुई हैं. फाइनेंशियल गेन्स जो थे मेरे डबल हुए हैं. It
Oh,
all
wow.
happened. Yes, it all happened with me. Yes. So these all things,
Wonderful.
that's all I have worked. I basically wanted to convert the whole biology into diagrams. So I have started
Yes.
all those things. It all happened in that one
Yes,
year
I
only. I
remember
have
you
started
had
converting
told me.
bio in the diagrams. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So all those things whatever I have written, एक भी लाइन उसमें ऐसी नहीं है जो मतलब मैंने लिखी हो और वो स्टार्ट नहीं हुई हो इस साल, एक साल के अंदर, none of the things.
So you can say financially, you improved your, the number of students and your income. Personally,
Yeah.
you feel with your husband relationship also gotten better and doing things which you wanted to
हाँ,
do.
मतलब मैं यस मैं हमेशा से चाहती थी कि हम दोनों जो है हेल्दी लाइफ जो है वो साथ में स्टार्ट करें. वी स्टार्ट
Right.
थिंकिंग दैट वे लाइक वी विल बी गोइंग टुगेदर. सो बीइंग अ बिजनेसमैन उनके लिए भी पॉसिबल नहीं था एंड बीइंग अ हाउसवाइफ, बट समहाउ कैसे जादू हुआ, कुछ हुआ एंड वी मैनेज्ड.
So you can say you're consciously creating your, life now. You are more
या
conscious of what you want and you're actually attracting those things back into your life.
यस यस. हाँ जी मैम, एक और चीज आपने एक और एक्स्ट्रा, टाइम मैनेजमेंट.
Yeah.
दैट्स व्हाट, मतलब सबको मैं सच्ची में बोलती हूँ ये चीज कि लव योरसेल्फ भी मैंने आप ही से सीखा है कि एक्चुअल में क्या होता है. तब तक पहले सिर्फ वर्ड पता था कि लव योरसेल्फ. एंड एक्चुअल में टाइम मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है ये भी मैंने आपसे सीखा है कि व्हेन यू नो द थिंग्स कि आपको क्या करना है, so don't just write those things on head, write those things on paper.
Paper. Right.
Right. हाँ, ये आपने बताया था that keep writing. Writing is so powerful.
Yeah.
ये आप ही ने लिखा था that writing is so powerful that you have to write your manifestations. Then only you are going to achieve those manifestations.
So it's wonderful knowing that. And somehow I feel, Komal, after seeing you especially, I'm also realizing the fact we all are also students of life. So, even other students whom we teach, you must be also teaching. We tell them to write down everything. So we are also students. So I guess we have to follow the same rules. It goes the same way, right? So let us know one thing. What would you sum it up? Like, how was Komal before this program, and how is Komal and her life after this program?
Komal before program is a deep thinker, बहुत ज्यादा सोचने वाली, for the little things worry करने वाली. वो
Right.
perfect बनने की एक जो भाग दौड़ होती है being a woman की,
Right.
yes this has to be perfect, this has to be perfect. Your
Yeah.
those 10 lines video, I love myself, I forgive myself for everything I did, I forgive myself for my past mistakes. Right.
Wow.
So these things actually helped a lot. Matlab actual में when you make a mistake, don't hurt yourself that yes you have done a bad thing. Being human, it's completely fine, it's completely okay not to be perfect. Yes, it is completely okay not to be perfect. Perfection achieve koi bhi nahi kar sakta. We always learn from our mistakes. So
Right.
I keep on repeating these things, ma'am. मतलब ये बिफोर जो थी ना, मैं ऐसे थी कि लाइक अच्छा ये मेरे से टाइम पे नहीं हुआ, वाई आई क्रॉस द डेडलाइन, वाई, या बहुत ज्यादा छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए मेकिंग पीपल हैप्पी एंड मेकिंग योर ओन सेल्फ सैड. ये थी मैं. यस, कि दूसरों को अगर खुश नहीं रखा तो आई माई सेल्फ बिकम सो सैड कि ओके दिस इज माई फॉल्ट. बट post this program, I got rid of all these things. Matlab literally I get rid of all these things.
Wonderful.
Yes, and it's all because of you, ma'am. शायद मिलने से पहले या ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम मुझे इतना रियलाइजेशन नहीं था. इन दिस 1 year मैंने बहुत सारी चीजों में बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स हर किसी ने की हैं, बट सेम वे मैंने भी बहुत सारी की हैं. बट रिपीटिंग दोज पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स, राइट, सबको पता होता है ये पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स हैं, बट कब क्या यूज करना है ये आपसे पता चला है. लाइक हाउ टू यूज इट, व्हेन टू यूज इट, इन व्हाट वे यू शुड यूज इट. कौन से वर्ड्स लिख के आपको असर करेंगे, कौन से वर्ड बोलने से आपको असर करेंगे. These all things we get to know when we are going to join that program. These things are not available anywhere. For me, so it's not at all available anywhere. I still buzz you, I still message you, okay, ma'am, today I'm like this, today I'm like that.
It's always my pleasure to be available to my students. How much the time permits.
I completely say it's hats off to you. It's been more than 1 year now. But even if I buzz you at 11, at 12, at 1 at night also, मुझे पता है कि आपसे reply जरूर आएगा. You don't bother कि now I am no more enrolled. आपने it's a kind of 21 days program, guys. Whosoever is going to join this, just it's not 21 days, it's lifetime connection
Right.
with Miss Manpreet Kaur.
Right.
वो एक बार आपको enroll करती है, लेकिन वो हमेशा के लिए every time she will be available and she will be guiding you. This is the best thing.
So sweet
चाहे
of
वो
you,
कभी भी decide करे.
Komal. That's so sweet of you actually endorsing someone else for that. But I feel maximum efforts are yours. I surely agree. We put in a lot of efforts to give out the best. But again, it depends on the student. How much are they actually taking from the teacher? That's what I can say. And I am, in fact, so happy to have you as a student. That is the biggest thing for me
ये
to
मेरा
actually
था
see you
ना,
happy.
शायद मेरे कुछ some of my positive karma, I completely believe in that. कि we met. Actually, I met you. मतलब still, every time I go to that B meeting, somehow I always message you कि ma'am, okay, you will be there. मतलब this is I keep on messaging you कि ma'am अगर कभी live हो तो do WhatsApp me, because
Right.
even meeting you live is something positive I am getting. There's something. There is some connection. So that
Right.
is the best thing which I've got from that program.
Thank you so much, Komal. Let me know one thing. What is your future vision now? What do you see yourself doing further with
So
this sort of
my
knowledge? Yeah.
presently my future vision is that entering into God's frequency program, which
Wonderful.
is I'm going to
Yeah.
start on 30th of September से जो आप start कर रहे हैं, उसी से मुझे अपनी आगे वाली future vision मिलेगी.
Wow, wonderful. So sweet of you, really.
Seriously, मैंने यही सोचा हुआ है that entering into God's frequency is going to show me that what actually I am looking for in future. So because you and God is going to help me. So this is the thing. अभी मैंने actually इतना ही future सोचा है.
It's perfectly
So
great, living each day as it comes, and बहुत अच्छा future सोचा है what you have done, because this batch, it's really been the last batch we had, the students, the testimonials they're pouring in, it's a life changer, as you can say. 5 days of this class with me, and a lot has been
yeah,
given in that, which can actually change you. It's more experiential. The breakthroughs are coming during those 5 days itself. So that's the highlight of it, basically.
yeah.
So it was wonderful talking to you, but I won't leave you without this last question. So
Okay.
if you had to give, a golden nugget to the people who are seeing you, who you're inspiring right now, what would you say to them?
Okay. What would I say? I would say that no doubt about it. Don't doubt about it that हमें join करना है या नहीं करना. If you want to improve your life, if you want to actually live your life happily, join that 21 days program. Heal your head and heal your life happily. मतलब literally मैम जो है ब्रेन को कंट्रोल करने का तरीका बताती है और कैसे आप हैप्पीली रह सकते हैं उसके बाद इन दो सेम 24 आवर्स जिसको आप शायद एकदम क्राई कर करके रहते हैं इनिशियली. एनीबडी हु इज सो अनहैप्पी विद द लिटिल स्ट्रगल्स इन लाइफ, जिन्हें आप स्ट्रगल समझते हैं, when anyone is going to join that 21 days program, you will feel like those little struggles are not curse, they are actually boon to your life. When you start looking
Wonderful.
about the positive side of those curses, she will make you see those as a boon. Manpreet ma'am has those powers कि ये आपको वो नेगेटिव चीजों में भी वो पॉजिटिविटी ऐसी दिखाएंगी. यू विल फील दैट कि ओके शावर मोर नेगेटिविटी ऑन मी एंड इट विल टर्न इनटू पॉजिटिविटी.
Wonderful.
So that is the only, yeah, that is the only, nobody, मतलब जो भी whosoever is watching it, everybody enroll it and enroll. You are both guys going to, मतलब जब ये program start होगा, you will actually realize कि what life is, कि उसे कैसे जीना है. जितना निकल गया लेकिन आगे का जीना बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, बहुत बहुत अच्छा.
ये आपने बात बिल्कुल सही कही कोमल. जो निकल गया उसके बारे में क्या सोचना. We have this time with us and we can lead a better life after this at least. some people
Yeah.
keep on thinking now the time is gone, or we are so old now, or we are so young now. Some people even think
No.
we're too young for all this. But I think that's the best age to start. The younger you
Yeah.
start, the better it is.
Even if you're having only 1 year of your life, I feel कि at least for 365 days तो आप अपने happily जिए. So
Right.
21 days निकाल लेंगे तो वो 365 days और happy हो जाएंगे.
Exactly. So beautiful and such a lovely, interview I've had with you today, Komal. Hats off to you, to your positivity. आप अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. I can imagine the sort of environment you have created in your house as well, just by getting enlightened your own self. So it's wonderful. Yes.
Thank you for having me, ma'am. Because आपके साथ ये लाइव चैट ही मेरे लिए नेक्स्ट जो मेरा टिल 30th सितंबर का टाइम है ना वो बहुत अच्छे से जाने वाला है because I have got so many vibrations from you virtually also. So thank you
Wonderful.
so much for having me on your meeting.
The pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much, Komal. And thank you to all the viewers who are watching us. I hope you are inspired from Komal's journey, that how you can actually change your life by learning just about your mind and through this positivity. So, lots of love and abundance to all of you. Till we meet again from Manpreet Kaur. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay.